The time has come. The new Caribbean chicken rub is here. I'm going to show you a brand new Caribbean chicken club sandwich. Today I'm using a griddle, but feel free to use cast iron or a grill. Let's start off with bacon, nice and crispy. Once the bacon is done, drain it on a bit of paper towel. I'm using boneless and skinless chicken breast. Now we're going to add our chicken rub pretty generously. Once you guys get it, you'll understand. Then we're going to put it in our bacon fat. We're going to cook the chicken breast for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Once the chicken is finished, we're going to add our bacon and our pepper jack cheese. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of water and a dome to get that cheese nice and melty. Let's take advantage of this bacon fat and toast our buns. Now it's time to assemble this gorgeous sandwich. We're going to start with a little bit of smack sauce on the bottom bun, then some lettuce and tomato. Now let's put this beautiful chicken breast right on top. Add a little bit more smack sauce to that top bun and we're all done. There you go, the new Caribbean Chicken Club. We have bacon, we have pepper jack cheese, we have a beautiful chicken breast with the new Caribbean rub. Nice and simple. I'm Kurt with Caribbean. We'll see you soon. Take care.